Many Tesla owners are always on the move. Recently, a Tesla owner reached out to us and explained that he travels frequently and wants to charge at RV campsites and Airbnbs. He asked what adapters and extension cords he needs to create his own mobile charging kit. If you had the same question, this video is for you. Today we'll walk you through how to build a kit that lets you stay powered up no matter where your travels take you. Let's get started. Step 1. Know your charging locations. First, let's look at the two main places you might be charging. In this case, let's say we're visiting RV campsites and Airbnbs. These are the outlets you'll typically find at each. For RV campsites, NEMA TT30 or NEMA 1450. Airbnbs and homes. Again, a NEMA 1450, a NEMA 1430, or a NEMA 1030. Step 2. Pack your Tesla mobile connector. Most Tesla mobile connectors come with a NEMA 1450 plug. This is great news because it's a 125/250 volt plug that can be adapted to all the outlets we just talked about. Step 3. The adapters you'll need. For campsites, use the EV TT30 MS adapter to convert your NEMA 1450 plug to a TT30 outlet. For homes and Airbnbs, for 4-prong dryer outlets, use the EV 1430 MS. And for older 3-prong dryer outlets, use the EV 1030 MS. Step 4. If you need to extend your reach. The Tesla mobile connector is about 20 feet long, but sometimes that's not enough. If you need extra length, we recommend using the 1450 PR extension cord, which works perfectly with your NEMA 1450 plug. From the end of this extension cord, you can connect any of the adapters I've mentioned. Step 5. Adjusting your charging amperage. When using these gray EV adapters, you'll need to manually set your Tesla's charging amperage based on the 80% rule. For 30 amp outlets, charge at 24 amps. For standard household NEMA 515 outlets, charge at 12 amps. Many of the outlets we've discussed use 30 amp outlets. The 80% rule helps ensure safe and efficient charging, and that's your Tesla Mobile Traveler's Kit. With these adapters and an extension cord, you'll be ready to charge at almost any RV campsite or Airbnb you come across. We hope this video helps you stay powered up while you're on the go. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla charging tips and solutions. Thanks for watching.